I think a fairly short video today. So often in Montana during the wintertime, especially out in the mountains, you'll sometimes have fog that goes down into the valley. And when it's cold like this, I think it's currently about 19 degrees or so, all the vegetation starts to get coated in this really, really beautiful frost. So I think today I was going to do a short video wandering one of the fishing accesses out by the river and just show you some of the amazing, beautiful patterns that forms when frost goes on top of the plants and just creates this whole new wintry world, gives it all this brand new character. Just such an amazing, amazing feature of nature.
In the mountains, winter's frosty touch is a sculptor. Plants lined with dazzling white. I hike through a world transformed. Winter is an incredible time to wander in wonder.